Okay, welcome back to our next video for the application of differential equations to a sliding motion down an inclined plane. Let's have this problem. Along very smooth board is inclined at an angle of 10 degrees with the horizontal. A weight starts from rest 10 feet from the bottom of the board and slides downward under the action of gravity alone. Find how long it will take the weight to reach the bottom of the board and determine the terminal speed. Paano kaya to? The unang step is step 0, huminga. Siyempre, hinga ka muna malalim. Mahaba ang binasa mong problem. Next is uminom ng tubig. Inom tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo uminom ng tubig. After that, and let's now solve the problem. Ang una nating gagawin is to, syempre, para ma-imagine natin yung problem, kailangan nating i-drawing. So you have triangle daw, sorry, inclined plane, line. After that, 10 degrees daw ang kanyang angle from the horizontal, this horizontal. A weight starts from rest 10 feet from the bottom of the board. So, ano kaya yun? That is mula daw dito sa start. This is 10 feet from the board. Kung ito yung board mo, naka-horizontal, ito kaya horizontal mula dito sa plane. Yan kaya yung 10. Ito kaya? 10 kaya to? 10 feet kaya yan? Okay, the answer is no. Sabi, sabi daw is 10 feet 10 feet from the bottom of the board and slides downward. Ito yung board natin, inclined, tama? So this is our bottom ng board. Therefore, ang distance pala niya ay this is 10 feet. Ito pala yung 10 feet. Ang hinahanap, how long daw it will take the weight to reach the bottom. Itong bottom daw. Gaano katagal? Tapos ano daw yung terminal speed? When we say terminal speed, yung velocity niya. At para makarating siya dun sa end. So you have this box. This is your weight, which is mass times the gravity. Yung force mo is papunta dito. Therefore, your angle here is 10 degrees also. Na napaliwanag na sa last video kung bakit this angle is also the same with this angle. Next, we all know that the formula for this is dx over dt is equal to the gt, this is gt sine theta plus uvo. This is x is equal to gt squared sine theta. So kung napanood nyo yung last video, connected yan dun over to sine theta plus this is v initial times t plus the distance or displacement initial. Sabi, so at rest, so nagsimula daw siya from rest. So at velocity equals 0, initial velocity equals 0. Siyempre, yung displacement niya will be 0 din. So kung ganun naman pala, we have this x, substitute natin x equals, this is gt, gt squared sine of alpha. Since yung initial velocity nga ay 0, and then the initial displacement is also 0. This is x is equal to gt squared sine of alpha. Now, we have this two, this one, this formula. We can now substitute each in the given formula. We have this velocity, this one, this one. Yeah, this is velocity is equal to, since this is x, this will now, so v, we have, so we have this equation 1 and this equation 2, whereas yung velocity daw initially is 0. So dx over dt is your final velocity, or this is now v is equal to the gt, since yung VO daw dito ay 0, gt sine alpha. And then yung x is, yan, cancel natin yung 0. Cancel din yung 0 na yan. Kasi ang initial velocity ay 0, ang initial displacement ay 0. This is now gt squared sine theta. And then ito yung 2, ilipat na natin sa kabila. This is now 2x. Kasi ito gt squared sine theta. Ano kaya yung mga given? Ang x daw ay 10 feet. Alpha is 10 degrees. Ano kaya itong g? Is it 9.81? Okay, 9.81 yan kapag ang unit ay meters per second squared. So the gravity na gagamitin natin, since this is naka-feet, so this is 32.2 feet per second squared. But 2x is equal to the gt squared sine alpha. We can now isolate t. This is t squared. Ang hinahanap natin is yung time. Ito yung gagamitin natin formula para hanapin yung time na marireach ng weight at the bottom. This one is gagamitin natin for velocity, na yung velocity niya para makareach siya at the bottom. This is t squared is equal to, dividing both sides by g sine theta. This is 2x over the g sine alpha. Sorry, alpha. This is now t is equal to the square root of 2 times. This is 10. So, bakit square root? Ito, squared. Square root lang yung both sides. 2 times 10 feet over 32.2 times the sine of 10 degrees. Therefore, the time here is 1.89 seconds, or approximately this is 1.9 seconds. Let's now get the velocity. Velocity is equal to 32.2 times, may time ka na. Itong time na nandito, store mo yan sa A. stop A. Kung nasa A na yan, di ba? Stop A. Para makakuha ka ng time dito, o kung may velocity dito, kailangan mo muna hanapin yung time here. This is stop A times sine of 10 degrees. Therefore, your velocity final or your terminal speed is what? This is 10.57. This is feet per second. So we have this terminal speed and we have this time. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa ating video about the application of differential equations, sliding motion down an inclined plane. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na and hit the like button para updated ka sa ating mga next videos. Yun lamang. So, comment down below kung ano yung mga suggestions ninyo. Gagawa natin yan ng video sa ating next vlog. Maraming salamat.